This tutorial is on just navigating your new Google Classroom. So when you first come in, you're going to find yourself in the stream. My husband likes to talk about the stream as kind of like your Facebook feed page. So everything that you post is going to pop up here with the newest information rising to the top. You can also share something with your class from this page. And as you go through, it's going to give you little guided tutorials. So you can post the work to students right away, you can pick a date for your post to appear, or you can save a draft and even finish it later. Anything that you put in here in your stream is only going to stay in your stream. So be aware of that. Example of what I mean, here is a stream for a class that I co-teach. That is a technology course. You can see everything that we have posted has shown up on the stream, and it is showing up with the most recent date on top. Back to our new classroom. The classwork page is where you're going to create all of your assignments. See my tutorial on how to create assignment here, but the short version is everything happens from this create button. To see an example of what this could look like by the time you're done, you can create topics to organize all of your information, and any assignment that you create will show up under that. The neat thing about this screen is that it's not just in the order of what you create. If you use topics, you can put things under topics, and then you can actually move and drag information so that it's wherever you actually want it to be on that screen. The People pages is where you're going to manage all of the people who have access to your classroom. You can invite teachers so that they can be co-teachers to your classroom and have all of the same permissions to edit and manipulate and grade just as you do. And you can add students as well. See my tutorial on how to add students for more on that. And then finally, the grades page is where you're going to have any of your class grades. So for privacy's sake, I've covered up my students' names, but on this page, you'll be able to see all the assignments you've given and what grades you've given students as well. Because this class is more of an extension, I actually haven't put in any student grades, but when you do, what you've put in for each student will show up. So this is how you navigate your actual classroom page. To find your other classes, simply come to the three lines in the top left and you'll be able to navigate between any of the classes that you have created. You can also click on classes and you'll be able to see them in this view. So I wish you the best as you start your online journey.